We at the Great Wolf Lodge.
Yes!
Oh,
Dad, I see lots.
we can't even play. Come on.
Dad, look at Dad. Dad, look at this, Dad. Look at this, Dad. Look at me. Oh.
It's okay.
Nice.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, what?
That's the room number. 3, 2, 1. This way. This way.
More rooms. More rooms. More rooms.
Come on.
It's so dark. We can't read us. We can't read us. Oh, that's on.
All right, right here.
Let's go. Now?
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
3,
Hold
2,
on.
1. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not cute. Yeah. Oh, Bonnie's room. Oh, Bonnie's room. Oh, Bonnie's
Oh, look at our
wow!
look at our room. Wiley's den.
Look at that! Oh, Bonnie's bed! That's my bed! That's this bed. This is my bed. That's my bed. My bed is up here too. My bed is down. Why? Dad, my bed is down.
Cool.
My bed is down.
Okay.
Let me help.
Go, girl. Just go.
Daddy.
Oh my God, the crybaby girl herself.
Dad.
Yes.
We have new TV. Is that your bed, guys? Is that your bed?
Yeah. While we stand here.
I'm staying down here.
The views. So yes.
Mom, we wanna eat.
You hungry?
Yeah, Mom, we wanna eat.
Maybe let's go get us a cheesy mac and cheese pizza.
And
Yeah, hotel.
cook this way.
Wish me luck.
I need to pee. I need to pee.
Let me show y'all the joy. Look at this fat man. This is a fat man right here. When they this age, it's the best. Look, fat man. But when they this age, she is a fairy. What? She is a fairy. What? She trying to be a pumpkin. What? Hold on, don't break it. Hello, give it back to him.
She said she needs some spooky stuff.
All right, I'm gonna get you some spooky stuff. Spooky man. She was a wolf. Row. He was a pumpkin.
About me.
Okay, let's go. Sit down. Oh, look, they got the same. Oh, let's go dance. Run. Go dance. Go. you get a big. Oh, win more big tickets for larger prizes.
Yeah, that was fast. That was a rapid.
It's okay. Let's play another one. Let's play basketball. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, what happened? He done bumped his head doing that crazy shit. Come on, let's go to the room after this. We'll save the rest for tomorrow.
I'm not going on it. That's my birthday.
Yeah, it's your birthday.
Time is go to sleep.
Yep.
Time is go to sleep.
Take your shoes off. Yes, take your shoes off.
You watch a movie.
Turn on Trolls.
Okay.
Take off your shoes. Time to lay down. Come on. Come on. Paul said goodnight. Paul is. You see, you heard him. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Where's Paul?
Good night.
Oh, he comfy. He watching Troll Hunters. So day one, Great Boulevard. We was only here for a couple hours. As it says, there's a lot of stuff. I'm already broke. Stay
We
tuned.
actually can't hear. What's this?
You guys ready?
Yes.
Happy birthday!
Yay, so Mom, what's this? Mom, what's
She's
this?
very appreciative.
I want to put it in my backpack.
Okay, yeah, save it.
Yeah. Where's my backpack?
Just put it in mommy's backpack for now.
Just stay on the table, and then before we leave, we'll put everything in the backpacks.
No.
Who wants to get donuts?
Me. No,
That's how you
no,
put
we
'em on.
gotta use your wolf. You just say yes. And we'll get in. No, you can't run.
Let's take one picture in the morning and one picture at night.
Stand on there. Stand on there.
Play games.
Whoever's short, 2 people can
Play
fade.
games.
Everyone can fade. Y'all are careful.
We can play games.
Which background, Paul?
That one.
This one we in the city?
Oh, yeah.
All right, get up. Hold on. No road.
Yeah, reach.
Shoot. Okay.
Alright, I hold up.
Come here, Paul.
Come on, boo.
Burger, stand where you was standing. Ooh, shit, Apollo, stop.
Sorry.
All right, Burger, sneak in. Stand up. I'm taller. All right, take a picture. Push it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Everybody grab one. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's sing happy birthday in the morning. We're going to do it twice. We're going to do it in the morning right now.
Yeah.
And then we'll do it when we go eat dinner tonight. Okay?
Oh, why is this watch up? Oh, hot.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Apollo.
Cha cha.
Happy birthday to you. All right, close your eyes and make a wish. Close your eyes and make a wish. All right, blow count together.
Is it?
Harder.
What's the wish?
Yeah!
Let me open my present. What's the
Hold on.
What?
Say
Okay.
cheese.
Smile with your brother.
Go over there.
Here, hold him.
Monroe, go over there next to your brother.
For a second.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! To who? Paulo! Paulo! Uh-oh. Here it comes. Hey, get it, get it. Get it, Paul. Turn up. Come on, Paul. Turn up, yeah. Come on, Monroe. Show them what you got. All right, come on, Burger. Hit that cha-cha real smooth right here in front of the camera. Ooh, hit that cha-cha. Hit that cha-cha. Hit that cha-cha. Happy birthday. Oh, come over here. Come on. Come to the dance floor. Yeah, all the kids in the dance floor. Let's go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, get it to the back, get it to the back, get it to the front, get it to the front. Go Paulo, go Paulo, go Paulo, go Paulo. Go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby. To Paulo, Paulo. To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birth. Yeah. Birthday, yeah. Oh, she coming in the function. Hey. Uh-oh. Oh, it's Apollo birthday. Yeah, it's Apollo birthday. Yeah.
Be ready.
All right, he's ready. He's ready to leave. Take your shoes off.
Tall?
Let's see how tall you are.
Let's see how tall you are.
Let's see.
Ooh, get off your tippy toes though.
No, stand flat.
Flat. Put your feet down.
Yeah, put your feet down.
Don't try to cheat, brother.
So he is yellow, so he can actually go on the slide tower. He can go on Mat Racer and Alberta.
My turn.
So which ones can he not go?
Tornado and the one that goes all the way straight down. Whiptail.
Okay.
Yeah, those are the only two that he can't go.
Okay. You can get on everything pretty much. Hold on, wait.
You're a big
Look, I got
Okay.
two.
Oh.
I got too many of them. I got two.
Also yellow.
Okay.
Yay.
Almost, brother.
Alright, buddy. Can I go ahead and
You can't get on a tornado.
I can't go tornado.
I mean, you're gonna have to watch the baby. Me and mommy getting on a tornado.
you wanna go ahead, sweetheart? You are gonna be red.
And she can.
She can't go on the slide tower, so she could only do the slides on the floor level.
Okay. Ooh, you guys could do the slides on the top. You guys could do the slides on the top, bro.
I guess we're not going to see you. I guess we're not going to see you in the big slides.
I think you scanned us.
I don't know if you scan off.
Oh, Apollo, Monroe.
If I could go and just check your bag real quick, and that's about it.
Come on, you guys want to go in?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, don't run, okay? Walk.
Let's walk.
We're going to a chair first, okay? Wait. Yeah, of course, girl. Yeah, the pool. All right. Hold on, let's find a chair. Yeah, I mean, because it got to be hot, though. All right, we're going to sit right here. All right, you ready? Come on, take your shirt off. Let's go. Okay. Let's go, guys. Come on. Go. Go have fun. Yes, we're at the Great Wolf Lodge. It's a little warm in here. It's cold outside, but it's warm in here. They got a lot of stuff. They got a pool. Monroe! Come here. We're at the Great Wolf Lodge. Hey, a burger. Go down the slide again. Paul, Apollo, go down the slide. The green one. Okay, we're gonna go together. Go. Woo! Come on. Wait. You don't see somebody right there? You gotta wait your turn.
He's not actually going. He just
Oh.
pretends like he wants to go and then gets back out.
All right, I just don't want him to. Even the fat man got some food. Even the fat man. Oh, oh, don't give him that. Don't give him that. Okay. You having fun? Okay, you don't want to get dressed and go play outside? Yeah, that just put a shirt on. Alright, so we took a little break from the water park. There's not a lot of water park footage. I think Maya got us coming down that water slide. My boy was scared on that water slide, boy. We going back. We going back to that water park. We got to. But we finna go out. We finna go. What we finna do? What we finna do, Bird? Bird ain't doing nothing. Look at his feet. He's not doing anything. He on here rushing us. He don't got no shoes. He don't. We on a trip for a birthday. We're on a trip. How about you say hey? Look, we're on a trip for my son's birthday. I can't believe Maya trying to act like she wear makeup anyway. We finna go mine for some rocks. I can't believe they about to throw me $30, $40 for some rocks. Them rocks is, you can find them on the ground. You can find them on the ground. I'm doing activities.
They went right outside to get that.
Hey, hit me up. Whoever see this video, if your kids like finding rocks and dirt, finding rocks and dirt business coming soon. I'll get y'all a nice bag.
Organic dirt.
Some dirt. And, hey, and I'll make the rocks hard to find, okay? Don't trip, don't trip. All right, I got you. Hey, water not included.
Making the rocks hard to find.
Oh. Easy to find. Easy. We making them easy. Oh, say thank you.
Thank you.
Let me see.
I want the magic. More magic.
Okay.
The magic.
Now, let me go get his.
The magic.
Oh, look at that. That's a cool dog.
Yeah, I want the magic. I want the magic.
Okay. What magic?
That magic. That's.
Okay. Hello.
Hi guys.
How you doing today?
Good. How can I help?
I'm doing well. I'm trying to get a mining kit.
Okay. Do we want the 3-pound bag or the 10-pound bag?
The 10 is the family, right?
dog.
Yes.
Yeah, let me get that.
My
family.
dog.
Okay.
My dog. Look.
$28.75 will be the total for that. Would we like to do this with card or with room charge today?
Put it on my room, man.
Sounds good. Go ahead and scan your wristband right here whenever you're ready. Would you like a receipt today?
No.
Alright, here is that mining bag for you guys. We got mining cards as well as plastic bags over there if you guys need any of that. But you guys are all set.
All right, thank you.
The magic. The magic.
All right, come on. Where's Burger? Burger. Okay, hold on. Look. Got your big old mining bag. Hold on, wait. Hold it. It's big. Hold on the bottom. On the bottom. There we go.
I see it's in there.
Okay, hold on. Can I get you real quick? Ooh. Let me take a picture. Okay. So these are the gems we looking for. Okay? The gems and the fossils that's in this bag, okay? So I'm gonna pour it in y'all thing, and y'all gotta dump it in the water, okay? And then we see what we get. And you put your gems in there, okay? Put your dog down, put your backpack down. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep track of this. Come on, let's go. Okay, I got you. All right, Paul, come get one. You guys want one together? Okay, get one. Paul, get this one. Okay, look, these are the gems we're looking for, okay? You guys ready?
And what's going now?
So you just dump it in the water, and you see if any gems come out. Here, Paul. Okay, dump it in the water and see if any gems. No, Bert. No. Fat rock. Ooh. And I'm so mad because I put a lot in. Get the one.
Can I? Thank you. Watch that video and you're all good to go.
Let's watch the video. Does this do something? Dude, wave your wand. Oh, look what you did. Oh.
Get it. What's up? So works.
Come on.
Oh, look at that.
Do the next one.
It works.
me see.
So right here.
Get it.
It works.
Oh,
Water. Fire.
come on, the next
Okay, do that one. I am in gold. Do that one.
one. Watch out. Watch out.
No, I can't.
Watch out.
Look. Colors. Look at that one.
All right, so we just did the second round of the water park.
So much rose.
Oh, yes, very cute, very cute. Now they got some trick or treating. Let's go get some candy, guys.
Yeah.
All right, get up so you get some candy. Get up, girl. Get your candy. Come on. Say trick or treat. Huh? Where's the bags at?
Oh, they put it back.
Oh, up there. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get the bags. Come on. Get your bag. Come on, get your bag. From up there. Go get it. It's up there. Go to them. Get a bag. Get a bag. Get a bag. Right here. Oh, look, guys. You guys can color. No coloring? Say thank you. Don't just snatch. You guys don't want to color a picture? No coloring? All right, come on. Oh, Paul wants to color. Come on, Roro. Come on, I'll go with you. Come on. Burger, go right there. Come on, go. Follow Bert. Go ahead. Say thank you. Oh, let her give you a sticker. Say thank you. Okay, go. Get yours, Roro. Say thank you.
Attention trick-or-treaters, we have 15 minutes left of the Halloween trick-or-treat trail.
Say thank you.
Get all your shots done before we end.
Next stop. Wait in line. Wait in line. Say boo ho 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 ho. Come on, guys. Right here.
Got candy.
Say thank you. Give him your sheet first. Give him your sheet. This one. So you can put a sticker. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Hold on. He's going to give you some candy. Put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. When he gives you candy, you got to say thank you. Thank you. Burger.
Got candy. Yeah, thank you.
Hold your card, okay, girl? All right, he's gonna give you some candy. Capping off the night with some good ice cream. Good ice cream. What'd you get on your ice cream, sir?
Rainbows.
Sprinkles?
Rainbow.
What else?
And this. And this. Delicious. Doing bubbles.
You done? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell, Bert? That's why they made. Oh.